Hello guys, good morning. I'm in the studio and something is stuck in my mind because Molly from Molly's Artistry, she did balloon smashes with her abstract work and then attached those balloon blooms with a stick, and it's beautiful. So she showed me a picture of someone who did sort of White and Bright series blooms. So if you're following me for a while, you know what I'm talking about. And also attached. So it's a bloom string. I need to do that. I'm gonna do it now, today. Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go. Alright guys, here we go. Let's make all mini White and Bright series flowers. And I will use not so much paint. A little bit of yellow. Some dark blue, winter blue. And I have my little cup. Let's pour some white around this. And I'm gonna swipe it over. Let's see. Now, yeah, blow this out to make a flower. Oh, it kind of looks more like a butterfly. It's pretty. Let's torch this. Okay, so this is number one. Let's make here another. Let's use some different colors. Violet. Let's go with gold. I forgot a metallic color. And the other. Maybe some drops of yellow. Okay. Torch this. Oh. Okay, and then let's go here. Why not? Let's continue here, a little bit further away. Oh! Oh, that's way too much. I need to take that off. Okay, let's go again. Let's start with this one then. A little bit of turquoise. Touch of pink. Yellow drops. And gold. Alright. That part is so beautiful. Okay, torch that in the middle. So looking at these three, they are beautiful. And then this one, So now I need to connect those. Or I want to connect those. Okay. Wow, here goes nothing. So let me take my stick. Let's see. Shall I turn this a bit like? This is so cool. I really like this, guys. You're seeing it from the wrong side because I'm looking from here. Yeah. Okay, let me show you. Alright guys, so isn't this just super pretty? Let me show you from an overall view. So clean, I like that. Here you see this. That's gorgeous in this one. These colors. I feel like my last two were the best. But in overall, super nice. And then I dropped here all that green. Luckily it was a painting like this. I could just scrape it and make it white. In this way it's nice as well, but it really looks like flowers from the other side. From this side. Very happy with this. I'm gonna do more. Alright, well, let me know what you think and I'll see you next time, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like and of course comment. Bye bye.